Hello and welcome. Here we have an Instagram post and the photo is tiny. If we just screen crapped this, this would be tiny. You don't want to work with a tiny picture like that. What is wrong with that tool? Anyways, to get a bigger version of this picture, you can simply, right click on it and go to inspect. This is me using Chrome web browser, by the way. So right click and inspect. There might be something similar probably at the bottom of this menu if you use Firefox or whatever other browser. Alright, now here you see this thing and this thing. You just move the mouse to highlight stuff. Once you highlight the picture with the yellow highlight, that's the one you want. You can also use this button over here. Click it and then hover over whatever you want to select in case you right clicked somewhere else. So let me just click here and unfold this. I can click here. I can also press the right arrow key on the keyboard. And here we have multiple URLs. And the important part here is when you look at the preview picture. So when I hover this, there's a tiny preview picture and it also says 598 by 9 by 396. This is tiny. Here we have the same resolution. Come on, move the mouse away to refresh that. And if we keep moving it to the right, Alright, so the confusing part is that when we hover over this, there is one preview image and it doesn't change depending on the URL we hover. We can see that there's different sizes in this URL. And if we look at the left one, this seems to be for 640 width. Then we have 750, and then we have 1080. All right, so let's go for the 1080 one. I'm just right-clicked it and now open a new tab. So here is a better. Yeah, we can see if we hover this tab, it's 1080 by 716. Let me just do this with the same with this one. Yeah, these are the same ones. You can't get better than that. If you look at the other ones and try to get those, open a new tab. Yeah, this one is only 750. And then the first one, come on now, open new tab. This one's only 640. So this is as good as you can get it, I guess. This is how you get a picture in higher resolution on Instagram. Yeah, I guess they must be really greedy with their pixels. Alright, hope this is useful and give this video a like. So next time you'll find it easier if enough people give it likes. Have fun getting inspiration from Instagram. Until next time, ciao.